Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Harman Kardon Aura Studio 4 with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, go to Bluetooth, now make sure that your speaker connected to the power, and then click on power button right here. Now it starts automatically pairing, but if it's not, just press one time to Bluetooth button right here. We can see our device, so click on it. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!